Merry Christmas Eve. Volkswagen, Audi enthusiasts. Sorry that it took so long, but just a quick update on the coilovers. We got the rears in. As you can see, that part was super easy. Way easier now that we've got the lift in the shop too. We had to get hot, burn some of that shit. Then cut it in half because it was wedged. There's an old Arno Bilsteins, spring conversion, whatever the hell. This one was alright. We just had to clean up those ball joints, get them in. So, we're pretty close. Guess we'll adjust it after then. Got some weird gas smell coming out of there and possibly a puddle of it under, so I have to wait and check that out probably before I do anything too intense. And of course, this sumbitch right here was not coming out, so pinch bolts should be here Monday. Then we'll wrap it up and put our shoes on, and guess we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned.